Good morning, friends. I am Naman, and here are some of my friends.
Hello friends, I am Harshil.
Hello friends, and I am Aryan. You know that there are many carbon footprint or pollution on our earth, like factories preventing air pollution and throwing dust in water, through which we are not getting pure water and then we are getting sick. So we will tell you few points through which we can reduce pollution on our earth or at home also.
Hello, friend. I will tell you a few points about pollution. So, the main thing the pollution is increasing day by day. So, we need to follow some rules of reduce, reuse, and recycle. Let's explain you. Reduce. Reduce means to minimize the amount of waste we create. Reuse. Reuse refers to the using item more than once. Recycle. Recycle means putting a product to a new use instead of throwing it away. This were the 3 R's. Now I will tell you 10 ways to reduce carbon footprint. So friends, I will tell you 10 ways to reduce carbon footprint. First, reduce waste. Second, eat your vegetables and buy local. Third, drive less. Fourth, turn off and unplug. Fifth, use renewable energy. Sixth, be energy efficient. Seventh, plant a native garden. Eighth, visit a thrift shop. Ninth, live in a small home. And tenth, but not the least, purchase low carbon goods.
Hello friends, I will explain you 10 ways to reduce carbon footprints. Reduce waste. Purchase item with less packing or being your container to be grocery store and shop in the bulk section. Reuse spray bottles and other items. Use a washcloth to clean instead of a paper towel and don't forget to recycle. Second, eat your vegetables and buy local. By eating local vegetables or organic foods, you will reduce your carbon footprint and improve your health. Eating less meat and substitute chicken for beet will also lessen your environmental impact. Third, drive less. Riding your bike, walking footprint, or taking the bus to work are all great ways to reduce your carbon footprint and your stress level at the same time. Fourth, turn off and unplug. Turn off and your unplug your light, TV, computer, and other electronic and appliances when you are not using them. The planet and your wallet will thank you. Fifth, use renewable energy. While installing solar panels in your home is great ways to use renewable energy. It can be expensive. Thankful, you can also purchase solar and wind power for local energy provider. Sixth, be energy efficient. Efficient. Purchase Purchasing energy efficient appliances, replacing the light bulbs in your home with LEDs and turning them up in summers and down in winters are some ways to reduce your energy use. 7 point, plant a negative garden. By growing negative plants, you will not need to use expensive chemicals, fertilizers, or herbicides. This this yard also require less water and maintenance traditional laws. You will be saying goodbye to your landowner and hello to butterflies in one time. 8. Visit a thrift shop. Try out your local thrift shop the next time you are in need of yard furniture for clothing. You never know what you might find. Live in small house. 9 point. Smaller homes require less energy and they are easier to maintain. That way, you can spend less time vacuuming and more time saving the world. Now, last point 10. Purchase low carbon goods. Many brands are taking steps to reduce the carbon footprint of their supply chains. And products these include Patagonia, Cola, and etc. among others.
Hello friends, so it's time to show you some experiment. Our experiment is based on smoke absorber. For this we required 2 battery of HW, 2 motors, 2 small fans, 5 same size of cardboard, 1 bottle half cap, 6 small cups and 1 switch. These were the required materials. Now let's see how this work. Now, this is agarbatti. You all know that from agarbatti smoke is coming out, but in this not at all any smoke is coming out. So, this was a simple experiment through which we can absorb smoke, and you can also make this and try this for decreasing air pollution. Thank you.